So you did, if you've been doing an awesome job, I think you're almost done with these ones. Greens, you have the first page to go. So now I'm going to show you how to get rid of these. So both sides should actually be green. So we'll start from this. And with these, with the readability score, it's a little bit different. It's going to be a lot of just taking your time with it, and it's different for every article. So I'll show you what affects it and then go from there. So first of all, I'm going to go here. So we definitely need to add internal link, which I know you're going to go back and do. The images do not have all the attributes, so we need to take a look at this. Keto diet menu is the keyword. The keyword density is 0.4, so keto diet menu. So let's say it said no. Yeah, so because the alt text is actually keto, is actually keyword, not the so now we should be good. Yeah, that's gone. And then the keyword found 3 times. That should be good, but ketogenic diet menu, is that the keyword? Yeah, ketogenic diet menu. So I actually think that's fine. Yeah, you did a really good job with this. All right, so we're now going to have a readability score. Oh man. So the reason the readability is down, 16.9% of sentences contains transition words, which is less than the recommended minimum of 30%. So if you're not sure what these things mean, passive voice, transition words, you can always click on it, and this will give you an understanding. So this is a whole article of example of tradition words. So, and, first of all, also, another, because, so, do, while, since. So it's just between 2 sentences. So instead of, it's basically saying there's too many periods. So we need to transition some keywords. So right now, let's go back down. Right now it's at 16.9%. So let's see. Let's start from just maybe anywhere. The happiness. Okay, let's start from the top. Keto is short for ketogenic diet care. The keto diet is designed for the body to attain total. When we eat mainly foods and carbohydrates. And so we could put something like this. So when we eat mainly foods high in carbohydrates, our body burns the carbs for energy, and this state is called glycolysis. Okay, so now we made that a transition. You can see this went up to 17%. So now let's go down, and if you are not sure where to find these, you can go here and it'll tell you everywhere that really should have a transition, but it doesn't. Oh no, sorry, this is everywhere that does have transition, but it really should not be the period. Okay, so let's add a couple more in here. I know a lot of you will react violently. How in this world can I lose weight? I know a lot of you will react violently and say, how in the world can I lose weight in a diet where where a gazillion fat is recommended? Okay. Let's close this. So now we're at 17.3 still. Okay. By the way, that example of ketogenic diet I mentioned is just for 1 day. And happiness is only the beginning. So it's a lot of periods today, and happiness is only the beginning. So now we go down, we're 17.6, so we're making our way slowly, just way too many periods here. So this is just a preview, an example of ketogenic diet that can be adapted the rest of your life. And this is just a preview. And an example of ketogenic. So now go down, 17.6. Oh, that looks like it goes down. Example of ketogenic resulting to improve mental health, mental and physical activity, increased stamina, lowered risk of chronic disease, and lowered levels of blood sugar, insulin, and cholesterol. Reaping all these benefits. So let's see, what are? Maybe as a result, same, less, rather, yet, while. Okay. Let's make this. And not all fats are beneficial to ketosis, so read up. Oh man, we went down. Didn't continue. I think it's because I'm breaking sentences. Okay, so now it wants me. So it actually wants the happiness, and the happiness is only the beginning. So let's see, does that go? Yep, 17.3. Don't take my word for it. You're on your way to your weight and ideal weight and health goal. Ideal weight and health goal. But okay, so now we're at 18.7. So when I break the sentence, it goes up because now it's less sentences. So it wants 30% of the sentences to have transition words. But don't take my word. I'd rather adopt a keto diet and see it for yourself. 20%, okay. You love all the great results. You love the amazing results. The tough part is sticking to it, but I believe in you. You can do it. Okay. An example of a keto. So there are many versions of the LFC diet, including Atkins Paleo Beach, but you need to know that not all of these diets are keto. However, you need to know not all these diets are the same or considered keto. Okay. Keto is short for either ketosis or ketogenic. The keto diet is designed for the body to attain the state of ketosis. To attain and stay in the state of ketosis. So that should have gone up. So now we added one more. Aye. You know what? We can easily fix it here. Red means whole means better, and wild caught. I think this is where we'll be able to do a lot of hand poached eggs, mushrooms, and cheese omelet. Let's see, are these going up for us in numbers? Bacon and cream cheese. So let's go back. So this is showing us all the things that are already using it. So, because due to while there, resulting in judge after life. As a result, it will improve mental result. Oops. Okay, so now we're at 22%. Moving slowly. What else do we have? Samples, most of all, most northworthy. Seems like maybe, probably. I know a lot of you, I know to a lot of you, it will seem like, okay, so the reason I use seem like is right here. Let's see if that works for us. Nope. Let's say, I know it seems like. Although it seems like. %, okay. So it seems like, how can I look? Okay. So we increase that and reduce that. And the reason for it is we used the word while, and then we did transition. So while was a transition, and then we removed passive as well. So is allowed and encouraged. Encouraged. Okay, let's see. Hey.